All right, ladies and gents, we are on the Brazos today. Paddling upwards towards the low water dam. So yeah, we'll see how today goes. Got a long paddle ahead of us, so I'll catch you all when we get there. All right, guys, we are here at the low water dam, and yeah, let's see if we can't catch some fish. First things first, let's just start off with a good old swim bait. See what's going on. Wow, I think that is a giant white. All right, eat the skunk. It's a big old white. Look at that thing. Awesome. Right by the dam, eh? Fish one. You like that? That's a largemouth. Woo! Oh, that's a smallmouth. Just kidding. I'm pretty sure that's some sort of quad. Look at that. Hooked him good. Alright, bud. Awesome. Yeah. Let me know in the comments, guys, but I am pretty dang sure that that is a quad. Look at that beaut. Thank you. Yep, it's got that smaller mouth. Large mouth patterning. What a beaut. Thank you. Well, my two teasers are gone. So I guess we're going with a smaller swim bait. What is this? It's not fighting too hard. It's a white. All right, look at that. That is a fat old white. Woo. Thanks, bud. I know there's hybrid around here. Back to back. I think it's another white. Here it comes. Yep. Sure enough. Ooh, these are... Look at that. Look at the size of that guy. Whoa. Careful. big whites. I mean, they normally don't get that big, but look at that. Thank you. Right by this dam, huh? They just don't fight as good. Largemouth? Nope, just another white. Holy! This guy's massive. Okay, hold on. Let me just take a look at the size of that white. Man! Oh, they're fun. This one might be better. Might be a hybrid. Nope. Probably another white. Oh, striper. That is a hybrid. Oh, let's go. Big boy. Big boy. Don't get me wrapped. Don't get me wrapped. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, no. Got to get better at landing these guys. Ha ha ha. Alrighty. Nice one. That's what we came out here for. Woo! Oh, he's ready. There he goes. All right. Woo! Right at the boat again. Another white. Another one of those big old whites. Yes, sir. Look at that. Somebody doing the work. Thank you. Get one more? I might. We'll see. There's a fish on there. Or there was a fish on there. No, fish is still on here. Guys, there's a fish on this line and I don't know what it is. And here it comes. It's coming in. It doesn't seem to be huge. I really have zero control over this. Here we are. It's a gar. Oh my goodness, it's a straight up gar. Oh, dear Lord. Okay, well, good thing I got it. We can work on catching and releasing this guy. Good thing he's not giant. Oh, at least not. How did this happen? It's a decent one. Not huge though. Just don't spear me. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Wow. Okay, best thing I could probably do, I'll let you guys look at this guy. Let's just cut the line here. I'm not gonna mess with that mouth, but ladies and gents, that is a really nice gar. Pretty guy. Let me get a picture of him. Oh boy. Just kidding, we are not getting a picture of him. But yeah, there he goes. Scared me a bit when the gar came up. I wasn't expecting it at all. Okay, that's all the line. The floats. Just gonna stick it under my chair. Cool. Alrighty. Back to work. Little guy. Whoops. That was not a very clean landing. But fish is a fish. There he is. Awesome. Thank you, bud. Thanks for playing. Fish is a fish, I guess. Pardon me. Here he comes. There we go. That's a better one. Ooh, nice one. There we go. That's cute. So yeah, got about a 30-ish minute paddle ahead of us against wind. Oh boy. Yeah, this is not gonna be very fun, but hey, it was worth it coming out here, getting on some whites and a hybrid. The glad was a nice surprise too. And of course that gar that we were able to get rid of the line around him. Hopefully he'll do fine. They usually do. I believe in Florida and Louisiana, where they actually target gar a lot, they let the gar swallow the hook, and then, oh boy, they're all around here. Oh, so many gar. They let the gar swallow the hook and just cut the line, saying that it dissolves in their stomach. So hopefully they're right. Hopefully that gar is gonna be just fine. And yeah. I'm gonna shut up now because it's got a long paddle ahead of me. I'll catch you when we get there. I'm doing well. What about you guys?
No luck yet.
No luck? Ah. Ooh. Alright guys, well that's going to be it for today. As you see, we went far. Did a lot of paddling, but it was worth it. Made it all the way from the inner pass here, I believe this is Highway 6, all the way down to the low water dam by downtown Waco, or around Waco I guess you could say. And as you can see, it was definitely worth it. Got into some really nice whites, hybrid, and of course that surprise catch gar. Can't forget that bass, either a quad or like a smallmouth, largemouth hybrid. But that was really fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and keep an eye out for that 250 sub giveaway coming up. Take care, guys.